Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome back to the online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I hope you are safe and fine at home. So in the previous classes we have discussed about verbs and how to use the verb in simple present tense. What is another name of verb? That is action word. The words which tell us what people, animals or things do that we can call words or action words. And today let us move on to the another topic. Please look at the board. They are given two sentences. The first sentence, the earthworm comes out of its hole. The earthworm comes out of its hole. And the second sentence, Raju eats the whole cake. Raju eats the whole cake. See children, can you identify any similarity in between these two sentences? In this first sentence, the earthworm comes out of its hole. The second one, Raju eats the whole cake. So here in these two sentences, we pronounce the word hole. Sentence, hole, H-O-L-E. In the second sentence, W-H-O-L-E. That also we can pronounce as hole. Both the words they have the same pronunciation but they have different meaning and different spelling. In the first sentence, H-O-L-E hole means the earthworm comes out of its hole. Here hole means the living place of earthworm. In the second sentence, Raju eats the whole cake. Here whole means complete. So both the words we pronounce in the same way but they have different meaning and different spelling. Such words we can call homophones.
Homophones are words with the same pronunciation but with different spelling and meaning.
Let us see more examples. Look at the board. The first sentence, we can dash the blue sky from our window. We can dash the blue sky from our window. In the bracket they are given the words S-E-E-C, S-E-A-C. These are homophones. Both the words we pronounce in the same way but they have different spelling and different meaning. So which word is suitable here? We can see, S-E-E-C. That is the right one. S-E-E-C. So we can see the blue sky from our window. This is the right answer. And look at the second one. She does all her work with her dash hand. She does all her work with her dash hand. In the bracket they are given the words right, right. The first right spelling W-R-I-T-E, right. Second one R-I-G-H-T, right. So which is the correct word? She does all her work with her right hand. R-I-G-H-T, that is the right answer. R-I-G-H-T. This is the right one. And the third sentence, the cat passed dash a small opening in the window. The cat passed dash a small opening in the window. In the bracket they are given the words T-H-R-O-U-G-H throw, T-H-R-O-W throw. So which is the correct one? The cat passed dash a small opening in the window. So this is the right answer, through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H. So here we can write T-H-R-O-U-G-H. So how to read the sentence? The cat passed through a small opening in the window. So the first one we can see, S-E-E-C, the blue sky from our window. And the second one, she does all her work with her right hand. Here right spelling R-I-G-H-T, right. Third one, the cat passed through a small opening in the window. Here through spelling T-H-R-O-U-G-H. So children, the words they have same pronunciation but they have different meaning and different spelling. Such words we can call homophones. Let us move on to the textual activity.
Take page number 70 from your English textbook. Vocabulary. Read these sentences. Here they are given two sentences. The first sentence, the earthworm comes out of its hole. Here the hole spelling H-O-L-E, hole. Second sentence, Raju eats the whole cake. Here the word whole spelling W-H-O-L-E. Both the words be pronounced in the same way but they have different meaning and different spelling. So such words we can call homophones. So look at the words in bold. Here they are given the words like H-O-L-E, whole, and W-H-O-L-E, whole in bold words. So children, these words we can call homophones. They sound the same. That means they have same pronunciation but they have different spellings and different meanings. And below you can see 5 sentences they are given. Tick the correct words to complete the sentences. So the first one, many animals lives in the sea or sea. S-E-A-C or S-E-E-C. Which is the right one? Many animals live in the sea. S-E-A-C. That is the right one. Second sentence, I shall write a letter to my uncle. Here R-I-G-H-T write or W-R-I-T-E write. Which is the right one? Yes, W-R-I-T-E. That is the right one. I shall write a letter to my uncle. Third one, grandfather cannot hear or hear very well. H-E-R-E here or H-E-A-R here. Which is the right one? Yes, H-E-A-R here. Grandfather cannot hear very well. Fourth one, Sapna and her son are playing cricket. Here S-O-N son or S-U-N son. Which is the right one? S-O-N son. So Sapna and her son are playing cricket. And fifth one, Divya has long black hair. H-A-R-E hair or H-A-I-R hair. Which is the right one? Yes, H-A-I-R. So Divya has long hair. H-A-I-R. That is the right one. So in the first sentence, S-E-A-C, that is the right one. Second sentence, W-R-I-T-E, right, that is the right answer. Third sentence, H-E-A-R here, that is the right one. And in fourth sentence, S-O-N, son, that is the right one. And in fifth sentence, H-A-I-R, hair, that is the right answer. So children, you must complete this activity in your textbook after watching the video. Next we can do the spelling from page number 71. See children, can you see two words are written in the box? The first one is kitten and the second one is tall. What is the spelling of kitten? K-I-T-T-E-N. Did you notice there is two T's are there? And in the second one, tall, the spelling T-A-L-L, tall. In that word, can you see two L's are there? So below, read the clues and complete these words with double letters. Below they are given some clues. Using that clues, we need to complete the words. In each and every word, there are double letters. We need to find out that. The first sentence, you eat this with bread, then B-U-E-R. Which is that word? Yes, butter. So what the spelling? B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Second one, a deep hole with water in it, that we can call W-E dash dash. What is that? Well. So what the spelling? W-E-L-L. Third one, there are 26 in the alphabet, dash, L-E dash dash E-R-S. So what is that word? Letters. So what is spelling? L-E-T-T-E-R-S. And fourth one, you rest your head on this dash. P-I dash dash O W. Which is that word? Pillow. What is the spelling? Pillow. And fifth one, you find these on the beach. Which is that? S-H-E dash dash S. Which is that word? Shells. S-H-E-L-L-S. So we can repeat all the sentence. First one, you eat this with bread and butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. Second one, a deep hole with water in it that we can call well. Spelling W-E-L-L. Third one, there are 26 in the alphabet. Which is that? Letters. Spelling L-E-T-T-E-R-S. And fourth one, you rest your head on this dash. Pillow. P-I-L-L-O-W. And fifth one, you find these on the beach. Which is that? Shells. S-H-E-L-L-S. So children, you can see in all these words, you can see double letters are there. In the first sentence, double T. In the second sentence, double L. Third one, double T. And fourth one, pillow, double L. And fifth one, shells, double L. So children, you must complete this activity in your textbook from page number 71 and 72.
So children, today we have discussed the topics vocabulary and spelling from lesson 10. And in the next class we will discuss the writing and the speaking session from this lesson. So let us wind up this session. Thank you. Have a nice day.